Your duck typing works perfectly at runtime, but your type checker sees nothing. Protocol is the fix. With an abstract base class, every conforming class must explicitly inherit from it. They opt in. Protocol flips this around using structural typing. If a class has the right methods and attributes, it automatically conforms. No inheritance needed. Think of protocol as defining a shape, not a family tree. Protocol lives entirely in the world of static type checking. It has zero runtime effect. ABCs enforce contracts at runtime. Fail to implement an abstract method, and you get a type error. Protocol was introduced in Python 3.8 via PEP 544, available from the typing module. Protocol's killer use case: you don't control the class. You can't go back and add inheritance to a third-party library. But if it already has the right methods, it automatically satisfies a protocol, making your type hints work without touching a single line of external code. Choose ABC when you need shared default implementations that subclasses can inherit. Protocol cannot do that. ABCs also support runtime instance checks, making them ideal for plugin systems and factory patterns. If you own all the classes and need enforced runtime contracts, ABC is the stronger choice. Use Protocol for structural typing and third-party compatibility. Use ABC for shared behavior and runtime enforcement. What interview questions should we cover next? Drop it in the comments. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.